I got a weave appointment on Thursday. I'm gonna get it sewn back in for Jesus, so I can praise him like he's worthy.
Now, kudos to you if you recognize who delivered that good word. Now, I didn't quite cut my hair, but this video is for anyone who's thinking about trying a different look, putting some scissors to your hair. Test the waters with this style, because honey, me with short hair is the whole mood. I did a little bit of experimenting and messed around and did too damn much, but the results always show that this look is it. So make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. Let's skip the unboxing and get straight into the sleigh. Now let me know in the comments, do you guys wash your units before you install them? I decided to go ahead and forego the co-washing process and just start to style her. I used different heat tools because with a Pixie bob or a shorter unit, you definitely want to make sure that you make sure you get that back at the nape area so it don't look ate up. And I think there's several different tools you can use. I'll have them linked in the description box, but I wanted to experiment with Velcro rollers on a shorter unit. Now, what this particular roller will do is give you a lot of volume. And with the curling iron, I used about a 1.5 inch barrel. I really wanted a tight curl, not to give, church on Sunday, even though Easter just passed, but I definitely wanted to see what kind of vibe this would give. For the install method, I used two of my favorite products, the 𝐿𝐷𝐿 Invincible Styling Gel along with the Hard Head Spray. Trust me, that lace is going to be laid. And one thing about this unit, the lace is practically transparent. It's like that skin melt lace, so it's literally going to blend seamlessly with your skin for a more realistic look. Now we're working with a little bit more hair on this unit. It has 130% density, and so that can be a good thing. And if it's too much, you can easily trim away the excess length or take some of the weight off near the bang area. And the great thing about this, I love that RPGHair is having a sale. So if you use the code RPG12, you can save some money. And you can always use my code K15 for some money off outside of the sale. But this is a unit you should check out. I have worn Pixie bobs or the shorter bobs from RPGHair. You can check my videos and they are consistently bomb. But my advice, but I can say definitely wash this unit before you install it for even better results. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Taking these rollers down was a roller coaster. I didn't know what to expect. Again, I'm always doing the most, but I wanna see the kind of vibe and look that we get with these rollers. So again, it's giving news anchor. It's giving Oprah. You know what I'm saying? Way back in her earlier days on a talk show. And that's not a bad look. But I used the hot comb to sort of tame the volume closer to the knots or the wefts. And honey, girl, it's giving first lady. I'm not sure of the church or the president. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we'll decide later. It might give something a little bit different because as I'm styling this and sort of reducing that volume, maybe I could have used less rollers, And just because this is how I style my unit, you do not have to do this. If you want a more simplistic tutorial, definitely check out other Pixie bobs I've shown in the past. But again, I can't do the same thing when I install these wigs. I want to experiment and do something different. I've gotten this down to a softer curl, and with this particular curl, they will drop and look even more sultry, more sexy. Again, you just have to play with it. With a curly unit, you got to find your rhythm. You got to play with it. You may have to use your wax stick, your fine-tooth comb to get the results you want. But let me know down in the comments, how did I do? And if you're asking me, do I recommend this? Very much so, because you see the hairline, I didn't have to do any plucking. It's already pre-bleached. That lace is melted into the skin. Very minimal work. I just, you know, did a little bit with the styling because I didn't have to worry about customization. Again, check out RPGHair, save you some coins during their sale. And definitely subscribe if you're new to the family. Love to have you here. Kiki with me in the comments. And if you got this far in the video, what did you eat on Easter if you celebrate? I'm always curious about what people eat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.
I found the street with a house in which she slept. When my stories pulled and name on every page. Cause I read to make you fall in love with me. I'll try again the day was Your hands and on my pillow so I sleep.